We have done 19, no? We have to do 20.
We have to do 20. Okay, we have done 19, we have to do 20. Okay, so here what you're supposed to do is you need to make them plural. An hospital, des hôpitaux. So always follow the rule we learnt. So you have a chart here, no? It's like you have a chart, follow this one and answer the, like, make them plural. Zainab, you are in?
Hello? Miss, can you
Hello.
hear me?
Yeah, okay.
I'm in, Miss.
Yeah, we are doing 20th.
Okay, Miss. Okay.
Yeah. So always you have to follow the rules and answer to this question.
Are we doing 21 or 20?
20.
Okay.
Yeah. So here you have first one, excusez-moi, monsieur. Excuse me, sir. Il y a des travaux. There are works. Travail is work, so you have make it plural. There are work. Dans le boulevard. Boulevard is the avenue. It's a kind of a road, a big road. Dans le avenue, in the avenue. The Camille Claudel is the name of the avenue, name of the road. Excuse me, sir, there's a work in the Camille Claudel Road. Par où est-ce que je peux passer pour aller sur les quais? So you are going to put quai view AIS. And there you are writing the same word, boulevard. Par où, from through where can I go? Say is like past. So through where I can pass to go to the platform. It's like අහන්නර කොහෙන්ද මට යන්න පුළුවන් platform එකට, that idea. Okay? K is platform. Prenez à droite. Take to right side. The chateau. So you are going through the right side of the castle. Chateau, you are writing the same word. Vous allez voir des panneaux. Panneau, you have to write add X at the end. You need to see the boards. You need, panneau is board. You need to see the boards. Deviation is like right. This is the board with alternative routes. Vous allez passer trois feux. Here the feu is color lights. You need to pass three color lights. and you go along the hospital. Longe is go along. You go along the hospital. It a tout au bout. Tout au bout is the entire phrase at the end. Et tout au bout, il y a le canal. So it's the same word. C'est le plus rapide. It's the fastest. Le plus rapide is the fastest. And he replies, Merci beaucoup, monsieur. Thank you very much, sir. So I'm reading the entire part if you have missed something. Excusez-moi, monsieur, il y a des travaux dans le boulevard Camille Claudel. Par où est-ce que je peux passer pour aller sur les quais? Prenez à droite du château, vous allez voir des panneaux déviation. Vous allez passer 3 feux rouges, vous longez l'hôpital et tout au bout, il y a le canal. C'est le plus rapide. Merci beaucoup, monsieur. Did you miss anything? Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, here, right, here you have Nicole, Christian and Nicole. So you need to take which person is this. So accompany. So Nicole is a girl, Christian is a boy, and Christian and Nicole, boy and a girl. Nicole feminine. The key, okay, question. The key person on whom they speak. The key on whom they speak. The Nicole on Nicole. Nicole is here feminine. The Christian masculine. Ou the Christian and Nicole. So the plural. Cochez la réponse. Cochez, you already know the word. Pick the answer. Qui convient, which is convenient, which is correct. So here you have accompagnateur de montagne. So TER you have, you know that it is masculine. And then here receptionist. What is the what you are going to put there? What will be the answer? Receptionist. What will be the answer? Nicole, Christian or Christian and Nicole?
Christian.
Christian. So why you have a S and then?
Oh, it's both.
Here. Christian and Nicole. So always you need to apply what you have learned so far to answer these questions. Okay. Keep doing. You need to mark one of these answers.
Okay, next.
Yeah. So first one, I'll give you the meanings. Accompagnant de montagne is accompagnant is the person who accompany you. Accompanying person to the montagne is the mountain. Then receptionist, it's in plural form. Postier, what you put?
Christine.
How?
Christine.
Is it? This one where you put? It's a feminine one. Postier is the masculine word. This is postier, feminine. Postier is the postman. Actually, in France there are post women also. So this is postier, feminine form. And you see in France, like I have not been to Canada yet, but in France, even ladies drive trains also. Then marchand de journaux. What you put?
Both.
Both. It's a plural one.
Plural.
So marchand is a merchant, seller. It's like a newspaper seller. Marchand de journaux. Technician. Which one? Technician.
Christian.
Why is that? Christian is a masculine, it's a man. If you can remember the
Christian is a man, right? Sorry,
yeah,
sorry.
Christian is a man. It is given here.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So this is feminine, right? Then inspectrice.
It's a boy.
Yeah.
Masculine.
Inspectrice is a boy. So check the like you need to refer the earlier lessons as well.
Teacher, wait, I think something wrong with me.
Inspectrice, a woman.
Yes.
Inspectrice is it's like an inspector. Then veterinary, what you put there? Veterinary is the vet who treats to animals. Huh?
Plural.
Plural, yeah.
Both.
And destinatrice,
It's
Masculine.
Nicole.
it's Nicole. It couldn't be masculine. Why?
It's Nicole.
You have not gone through the previous lessons. Destinata is artist. Write down the meaning artist. It's feminine. Comptable.
It's plural.
Comptable is like accountants. Professor. Teachers. Couturier. Masculine. Couturier is the dressmaker. Coiffeur.
Masculine.
Yeah. Coiffeur is the hairdresser. Ok, accompagnante de montagne, réceptionniste, postier, marchand de journaux, technicien, inspectrice, vétérinaire, destinatrice, comptable, professeur, couturier, coiffeur. And then you are going to question number 23. Okay, so I'm reading this. You need to write down. I'll explain this first. Madame, Monsieur, bienvenue. What does that mean? Madame, Monsieur, bienvenue. You all have to speak. Huh? Madame, Monsieur, bienvenue.
Madam, Mr.
Madam.
Mr. Bienvenue is welcome, right?
Madam.
Je suis votre guide. What does that mean? Je suis, you can guess those things. Je suis votre guide. You know what is je suis and you know votre guide. Votre, maybe you don't know, you know guide also. I am your guide. Je suis votre guide. The name of this person is Gail. I am your guide, Gail. Aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui is today. Je suis votre guide, Gail. Aujourd'hui, today. Nous allons visiter. Nous allons visiter is we are going to visit. Nous allons visiter le château de Versailles. Versailles Palace. Versailles Palace is actually existing palace. It's in France. Le château de Versailles, the palace of Versailles. Je suis votre guide, I'm your guide, Gail. Aujourd'hui, today, nous allons visiter le château de Versailles. We are going to visit the palace of Versailles, and you see this exam is not conducting in France. Okay, the main the main body of the exam is it is in France. So you need to have a small idea on France as well. Like when you say the Chateau de Versailles, you should know what is this Chateau de Versailles. Because the papers are made in France, not in Canada. Okay. So basically you will be getting the cultural factors like this word, the words, and then sometimes the meals. You should have a little idea on France also. Nous allons prendre. You are going to take le bus ici. Nous allons prendre le bus ici. You are going to take the bus here. Ici is here. H-E-R-E here. Nous allons prendre le bus ici. Voici. Voici is here. Again here. Le billet pour l'entrée to the suite. Here, le billet means the ticket. Here, the ticket for entering. L'entrée is the entrance, so entering to the suite. To the suite is like all of sudden. It's like they want to say here you have the tickets for entering quickly, rapidly. Et voici le journal, and here ETA is and here the journal de l'exposition. The journal de exposition is the exhibition, the journal of exhibition. It's like it's a new journal with the detail of the exhibition. Et voici le journal de l'exposition avec une explication en anglais. Avec means with. Une explication, an explanation in English, en anglais. I'm reading the entire part again. Madame, Monsieur, bienvenue. Je suis votre guide, Gail. Aujourd'hui, nous allons visiter le château de Versailles. Nous allons prendre le bus ici. Voici le billet pour l'entrée tout de suite. Et voici le journal de l'exposition avec une explication en anglais. Again, Madame, Monsieur, bienvenue. Je suis votre guide, Gail. Aujourd'hui, nous allons visiter le château de Versailles. Nous allons prendre le bus ici. Voici les billets pour l'entrée tout de suite. Et voici le journal de l'exposition avec une explication en anglais. Right. In the second one, what you're supposed to do is like in the below one, you need to make everything into plural. So you have been given the blanks, take the word from the above paragraph and put it into plural and fill in the blank. Go ahead. You understood what you're supposed to do, right?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Mesdames, what you put here? Mesdames, what is the answer? Messieurs, right? Emmy Messier. So you know the spellings. It has been given in the example, like in the very first part of the lesson. Mesdames, Messieurs, bienvenue. Nous sommes vos guides. G-U-I-D-E-S, guide. Nous sommes vos guides, Gail et Marion. Now there's another person to make it plural. Nous sommes vos guides, Gail et Marion. Aujourd'hui, nous allons visiter les châteaux. Pour the accent, château de Versailles et Fontainebleau. They have added another destination also. It's a place. Nous allons prendre les bus, the same word, although it's plural. You are writing the same one because it has S at the end. Nous allons prendre les bus ici. Voici les journaux. Voici les journaux. Voici les journaux. No.
Miss
No,
Billy, Miss
it's
Yeah,
below. No?
Billy.
Here. Voici les billets.
BA. Okay.
Voici les billets pour les entrées. You add in S. I put the accent. I can't put entrée to the suite. Et vous, les journaux des expositions. Exposition, write the same word with S. Avec des explications, same word with S. Explication en anglais. Okay, I'll be reading it. Mesdames, Messieurs, bienvenue. Nous sommes vos guides, Gail et Marion. Aujourd'hui, nous allons visiter les châteaux de Versailles et Fontainebleau. Nous allons prendre les bus ici. Voici les billets pour les entrées tout de suite. Et voici les journaux des expositions avec des explications en anglais. Right. Now we are coming to question number 24. So, here you have a transformé au feminine plural. Transform it to feminine plural. Okay. Here, the word is given in masculine. You need to change into feminine and again to plural. So, anyway, it's easy to make it plural. This mon part, mon means my, because although it's feminine or masculine, the plural is me. But you need to change this word into feminine. Feminine plural. Copain, the feminine word is copine, and you add in s at the end also. You need to change this one as well. For to do this, actually, you can remember. You should remember all the rules. You can go refer the book and do it. Yeah, you understood what you're supposed to do?
No, teacher, can you please explain again?
Yeah. So you need to make it feminine plural. Okay. So the word mom should be changed to feminine plural. So there's no difference because the mon, ma, they came a plural like a may. So nothing to be changed with me. But you need to change other parts. Copain, you need to make it to feminine. So copain becomes copine. And a is in singular, you need to change it to plural. And infirmier is a masculine word, you need to change it to feminine and then make it plural as well. Now, okay or not?
Okay, teacher.
Or shall I give this as a homework? Because you need to study, you need to go refer the book again and again and do it. What do you think? Shall we do it as a homework?
Yes, teacher.
Then you can do it leisurely at home. 24 will be a homework. Okay. Now we are coming to les articles définis. Earlier we learned les articles and définis. Now it's Definite articles means lale. Okay, I want you to fill this chart. You know how to do it now. Can you do this? Can you fill this chart? You have done this type of thing earlier as well. Complete that. Or masculine plural singular, what you put? Devant une consonne. Le, right? Or feminine singular, la. For a vowel, for both you are putting L apostrophe and L apostrophe. This is easy. And plural is all is lay. Okay? Enquête sur les loisirs. Enquête is a survey on the leisure activities. I'm here. Enquête. So enquête is a survey on the leisure activities. Les habitants. Les habitants are the citizens, the people who live. Les habitants de notre ville. The citizens, the people in our city. Notre ville is our city. Aime beaucoup, likes a lot, like a lot. Le cinéma, like a lot, the cinema. La danse, dancing, the dancing. Et les visites, and the visits, the musée, visits of museums. The habitants, the citizens of our, not citizens, you call habitants, right? Yeah, habitants in our city like a lot to the cinema, the dancing, and the museum visits. Ils n'aiment pas l'art moderne. They don't like modern art. Ils n'aiment pas. They don't like modern art. Mais adore, but love l'architecture classique, but love classical architecture. Okay? And here you have the chart. And let's come to B. Mettez dans l'ordre. Put into order. Can you put this into order? You can refer the observe in this part to put it into the order.
Miss, I don't understand that question, Miss. What to put in order?
These words. The sentence is actually in
With
observe.
the n apostrophe m and
Yeah.
like that. Ah, okay.
Yeah. Let's take it together. Let's do it together. So you are taking ill at the ill. Name pa la modern. They don't like modern art. Il n'aime pas l'art moderne. They don't like modern art. Okay. Let's move to the first question. Okay, so this one actually you need to use the dictionary also. They are asking you to, here you have been given a set of words and the gender is also there, but you should know the words, like you need to like divide into meuble and vêtements. Meuble means furniture, vêtements are clothes. You need to divide this word into meuble and vêtements. You need to write down with the article also. So for the first one they have taken, it's a masculine singular word, it's le. And next one is let's take this one, it's a feminine singular word. La table is the table, so you are putting it as la table. Likewise, you need to divide the words. Start doing it.
Miss Verbal means clothes, no?
Vêtements is clothes. First one, meuble is furniture. Yeah. Yeah. So you put la table there. The next word, l'armoire, where you put. So it should be L apostrophe. L'armoire is what? So what you, okay. Zainab, tell me for meuble what you put?
Meuble. Sorry,
Yeah,
miss.
Yeah. Zainab, tell me what you put for meuble?
Meuble, I put Lee, chaises, top table. Miss, I can't pronounce. Miss Fortiel, Etagre,
Wait.
Amoya,
Okay.
placard. Okay, miss.
Wait.
Sorry, miss.
Yeah. Meuble. Le lit is okay. La table, l'armoire, and then le canapé, le fauteuil, les étagères.
Miss, are you marking?
No, I'm not marking. I'm reading.
Okay. Okay.
L'étagère. Anyway, I'll read the pronunciation. Placard, commode. So you found out the word meanings?
Yeah, miss, I found the meanings.
Yeah. So I'll do the pronunciation. So vêtements, you have chaussure, collant, pantalon, manteau, canapé. Sorry, not canapé. Chemise, écharpe, robe. Yeah. First one is lit. You pronounce it as lit. Lit. L-I-T is lit. And then you have table. Lit is bed. Table, table. Armoire, wardrobe. Armoire, wardrobe. Chaussure, shoes. Colon, tights. Pantalon, trouser. Pantalon, trouser. Manteau, coat. Canapé, sofa. Chemise, shirt. Fauteuil, you call armchair, right? Armchair. Écharpe, scarf. Robe, frock. Chaise, chairs. étagère, shelves. Placard, cupboard. Commode, chest of drawers. And we are coming to this one. So you need to put the article. It's already given. Put la or la. I'll give you the meaning. You need to fill in the blanks with la, la, l apostrophe, ole. So the question, quel temps fait-il, is like, how is the weather? When someone asks quel temps fait-il, so you can't translate this word by word. If you translate word by word, the meaning is something else. But if someone asks you the question, quel temps fait-il, it gives the idea. How is the weather? What is the weather? How is the weather condition? How is so quel temps fait-il? Okay, so le brouillard. Brouillard is the fog. Le brouillard est très épais. The fog is very thick. The fog is very thick.
Miss, épais is thick, is it?
Thick, yeah.
Okay.
Then le chaleur. Le chaleur is the heat. The heat est très forte. Is very strong. The heat is very strong. Okay, and then le froid est très vif. The coldness is very sharp. Sharp. The coldness is very sharp. Vif is sharp, but vif, the word VIF vif can be used for lively also. Le froid est très vif. The coldness is very sharp. Here the meaning is sharp. Then la neige couvre les sommets. The snow covers the sommets are the hilltops. So, you can tell it like summit or top, the tops. The snow covers the tops. And number 5 is les nuages arrivent. The clouds arrive. Les nuages arrivent. The clouds arrive. Le temps est mauvais. Le temps est mauvais. Le temps is the weather, the time. The weather is bad. Le temps est mauvais is the weather is bad.
So in this case, it will be LES, right? That lay.
Yeah, le, L-E-S. So le means L-E-S all the time. L-E is le.
Ah, okay. Only if it is a vowel, it's a L apostrophe, you know.
Yeah.
Even if it is singular plural, if it's a vowel, it's a L apostrophe.
No. You have mistaken. If it is singular, only this happens. L apostrophe.
Okay, miss. Okay, I got it confused.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Then l'orage est violent. L'orage est violent. Orage is the storm. The storm is violent. So here you are putting L apostrophe.
Okay, miss. Miss, the sixth one, the temperature is.
It's a plural word. Okay,
Yeah.
no, it's a singular word. Sorry. Plural word also the same. So this is LE. Wait, I say LES, right? Sorry.
Yeah.
It should be le temps.
Now, miss, how do we know if it's plural or singular, miss? In this case, if both the words are the same.
Anyway, you can identify. You have been given this.
Yeah, no. Miss, and what does it mean?
MS is masculine singular.
No, miss, I meant the whole sentence. What does it mean?
The weather is bad.
Okay.
And number 7 is l'orage est violent is the storm is violent. Then la pluie tombe forte. The rain falls strong, falls hard. Hiding Wahida you are using la pluie tombe forte. So always you can figure out this is a very easy. MS means masculine singular, FS feminine singular. Le soleil brille, LE. Le soleil brille is the sun is shining. Le soleil brille, the sun is shining. So la tempête is a storm or a, you call thunderstorm. For both the things you can say. La tempête est terminée. The storm has finished. Terminé is ended. Has ended. Is ended.
Which word you are?
I mean la tonnerre means number 11. Le tonnerre fait peur. The thunder makes fear. It's like you need to say it's an expression actually. The thunder is fearful kind of thing. They have taken the verb faire. Le tonnerre is the thunder. Peur is you're afraid. And then le vent souffle fort. The wind blows hard. Le vent souffle fort. I'll quickly give the meanings again. Le chaleur est très forte. The heat is very strong. Le froid est très vif. The coldness is very sharp. La neige couvre les sommets. The snow covers the summits, the tops. Les nuages arrivent. The clouds are arriving. The clouds are coming. Le temps est mauvais. The weather is bad. L'orage, l'apostrophe, l'orage est violente. The storm is violent. La pluie tombe forte. The rain falls hard. Le soleil brille. The sun is shining. La tempête est terminée. The storm has ended. Le tonnerre fait peur. The thundering is fearful. Le vent souffle fort. The wind blows hard. Okay, here with this you are learning some, as I said this book covers vocab as well. Here you are learning verb and vêtements. And then here the weather conditions. And with this one, actually in the third question, you are learning the places in the city. I want you to do question 3 as a homework. You need to again put la, le, l apostrophe so you can easily identify because in this book they have already given the gender. 3 is a homework. And then question number 4, no, that one don't do. Let's do this one as a homework. And yeah, you can do it. So basically, are you started learning, and if you are started learning like studying, how you are doing it? Zainab, what is your plan? Like, how you do it, and what is your progress now?
Miss, I can't tell you where exactly I am now, but when I'm on Instagram and all, I'm following a few people who are talking in French,
Huh?
and in their stories and all, they put these grammatical questions and all.
Huh?
So, like when I just browse and all, so I just tend to use that. But otherwise, like book of course, I take only say once a week kind of, miss, because I'm still studying for the IELTS.
Ah, yeah, you have to do it. You had to do it again, eh?
Yeah, miss, that's the thing.
Yeah. And Isari, what's about you?
Miss, I'm just trying to improve my vocabulary as well because I didn't get understand about those words. That's why. And also, I listen to some fairy tales like in YouTube, but the thing is that there is no translate.
You don't have
So
subtitles, no?
yeah,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
that's why I just only heard
So
some words.
don't use podcast. There are like kind of stories. It is not. It's real
I
time stories. It's like it's
Miss YouTube,
something.
there are some cartoons, miss, small ones. I'll
Cartoon.
send you the link. I watch
Yeah.
those
Yeah,
also with my children.
Yeah.
So they also learn.
Yeah. Because one day I found an interesting series. Now I don't have the link. I was
Is
looking
it
for that.
Netflix, miss?
Not Netflix, in YouTube.
Okay, next Netflix, there's this particular serial called Lupin. But the
Yeah.
thing is, they're very fast when they talk, so very hard to
Yeah.
like follow them.
Always
it is
like
also happening in YouTube.
yeah.
So
Yeah, what you can do is like when you are learning in YouTube also, like in the in the beginning, rather than getting English subtitles, take them with French subtitles. There are some clips with French subtitles.
yeah, yeah,
Then
friends
you
are
can,
there,
yeah.
but how to identify those words?
It's like this. Like you need to start anyhow. Then it becomes getting familiar. You will get familiar with the words. So yeah, and Zainab, Dharma has improved a lot because he's
Okay,
watching the things
watch it.
all of
Yeah.
the time. I think these
Oh,
Okay,
days he's
no.
little busy, but like he started watching them. Like maybe sometimes we watch other language movies
That's why.
without subtitles,
That's why.
and then we can understand little bit, right?
yeah, yeah,
Basically,
miss.
I watch Hindi movies like without subtitles and all,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
still I understand because we know like it came from it is a practice, right?
Yeah,
So always like you have to be with the language, otherwise
Yeah.
it's difficult.
yeah, miss.
Yeah, you need to find because you have to do a lot for the exam. It is not that easy. So you have to
Yeah.
like without living with the language because when I was studying, I started in grade 9. Okay, so I was in grade 9
Mm.
to like 11 and all. I didn't care about French because I just did it, and then little by little, like when the exams are coming only, I focused because I had the time. Because but in your case, you are doing like in a very short period.
Yeah. Means easy to use easy to read phrases than words. What is the best to?
No, in your case, you need to learn. You need to learn all. It's like
Oh,
because you are supposed to write also, but for listening, like if you listen again and again, you will be hearing familiar phrases also. So then you know what they are telling. Always in the first stage, try to be with the language. Like there are some French YouTube clips, they are explaining it in English as well. You started. So anyway, I'll when I'm like searching the things, I'll send the links to the group.
thank you.
Okay. And any other questions from today's lesson or anything?
Miss, I have a small thing. Okay, miss, do you have these classes just for speaking, miss? So once a week, like if I get a paragraph and if I start, maybe you can like check the way I'm.
Speaking.
Yeah, only
No,
for speaking.
because I'm not like no speaking classes. I'm just
Okay.
targeting the exams only. Speaking will be doing particularly for that particular exam.
Okay, because I am having a problem with pronunciation, miss. However
Yeah.
much I listen, it's like I pronounce it incorrectly.
Yeah, I'm so like even now I am running out of time also because my like departure dates are also like coming.
Closer.
Yeah,
Oh,
and I have to do IELTS also before I leave because I have to do it at the edge.
okay, miss.
Yeah,
Right,
that
right.
is right. Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
then that's all for today.
Thank you, miss.
Okay, au revoir.
Or miss.
Okay.